mean, really, why not the beard? You know, there's so much going on there. There's the amazing diversity of beards themselves, the glorious forest of fauna that it holds within. It's really a remarkable field to study. So that's really how we started.
Here's the thing. I don't even like beards, okay? But I'm about 7 years in, and I'm not getting any younger, so when Pam came in and said we have got this big grant for studying beards, I thought, what the hell?
Yes, people have different, gene controlling beard, right? So maybe that gene is associated with some other, characteristics. Like it could mention something like the status of your cancer or future disease. It's possible, right? You can predict why beards could not be related to the cancer.
Well, I think there are many interesting ethical implications of the Beard-omics projects. There are biosafety concerns, bioterrorism concerns, but I think fundamentally the debate is really more about basic ethics.
So we're really developing. I think we're really moving beardology forward. So far we've sampled almost 10 people, 2 controls, 2 small beards, a few larger beards. So far, we can't make any conclusions. There's no error bars yet, but the controls have fewer bacteria living inside of their beards, whereas the actual beards have quite a bit more, which is a fascinating result so far.
So here's a typical raw sample that we received. We actually have hundreds of pounds of hair in the freezer now from all over the world. I usually keep them around -80 degrees on dry ice, not for preservation or anything, just because I don't like the smell. It really gets in the way when you spend all day with this stuff. Anyway, so we take some raw samples, we mix them with the various enzymes to break them down so we can characterize the protein structure of these various bugs that seem to be living all throughout the beard. Standard subject here, we got the swirl zone, alright? Got the chinulofacial area right here, maxillary hair crest, the general Burnsides area, of course, which transitions into the swirl zone. You have the Kyle Orton, aka the neck beard zone over here. And of course the soul patch, which is a feature of many beards.
So there are bearded Americans and there are non-bearded Americans, and there always have been. And sometimes I wonder, do we really want to know what's lying underneath our beards, right? I mean, what might come from this knowledge? Is it possible that we'll find a reason, a rationalization of the sort of discrimination that bearded Americans have long faced? Is it possible that insurance companies might use information about beards to discriminate in offering insurance policies to the bearded?
Right now, the demand purse isn't full yet, and I think we can get some more products to put in there, particularly with grooming the beard and grooming the Beard-ome. I mean, it's one thing to go for the hair, but another to go for the Beard-ome living there beneath it.
To me, my beard is like a very best friend that you have. It's like having a furry friend right in your face all the time, and he's always with you and never leaves you alone.
Beards, it's like chest hair on your face, Gotta display it.
If I found out, that I was destined to grow a beard someday, right, and there was nothing I could do about it, would I really want to know?
Beard-ome, it's the future.